up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay. Today, guys, we're doing a quick get ready with me for work. I'm about to do my makeup real quick. I got here early so I can do this video. It's 7:25. I gotta be in the work at 7:40, so we're gonna see how far we get because your girl was supposed to come here a little bit earlier to get this done. And yeah, you know me. I try to be on time. Sometimes it never works. So I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows real quick. I hope you guys slept well. I hope you guys had a good night. I'm surprised my eyebrows came out as good as they did in the last video because I was starting to get frustrated. It definitely was a headache. I was about to say, who was that? But I was definitely starting to get frustrated, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna keep doing my eyebrows, and hopefully they come out a little bit better. And that's exactly what they did. They came out a little bit better. So I was surprised at that. And I had to shave down my eyebrows, guys. I don't even know if I have any makeup wipes in here. I think I do, though. This stuff won't come out slow today. Like, what in the world? Come on. Shoot. I got it. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and press out this. Alright, so I got 5 minutes, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and work out of the chocolate martini palette. Alright, so I'm going to go into the cream de cacao and syrup. I'm going to both of these. I'm not using a lot, guys. It's going to be a real light application today. I'm going to grab my mascara right quick because y'all only got like 2 minutes left before I can clock in. I don't know why my eyelashes looking like that, but we about to go ahead and keep going before I be late. Alright, I'm gonna add my eyeliner right quick, you guys. I'm gonna add the Kiwi blush from Victoria's Secret. Alright. And I am all ready for work, guys. I know my hair look crazy. I do get a retwist today, and I cannot wait. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Everybody have a good day today. And yeah, guys, let's get this money and get to work. Bye, guys.